Tired of banking apps that feel like they were designed in the 90s? Do you wish you had more control and more security right in the palm of your hand? Well, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, your financial tools need to keep up, and the Capital One mobile banking app is proving it can do just that. It's more than just a place to check your balance. It's a full-suite financial manager packed with smart features designed to make your life easier and your money safer. So, let's dive into the best features of the Capital One mobile app that make it a standout in digital banking. First up is Eno, your Capital One assistant. Think of Eno as your personal financial guard dog. This intelligent assistant uses chat to help you with everything from checking your balance to flagging unexpected charges, like a duplicate transaction or a sudden price hike on a subscription. It's proactive, smart, and always available. 24/7 account support right at your fingertips. Next, let's talk about security and control, because feeling secure is paramount. Misplace your credit or debit card? No problem. The Instant Card Lock feature lets you lock your card immediately from anywhere in the world, preventing unauthorized use. Found it later? Just as quickly, you can unlock it. Pair this with biometric login, using your fingerprint or Face ID, and real-time purchase alerts, and you have a security system that puts you firmly in control. For credit card holders, the app is a game-changer with features like virtual cards. When shopping online, you can generate a temporary, unique card number linked to your account, so your actual card details are never exposed to merchants. It's a fantastic layer of security against data breaches. You can also easily redeem rewards on the go, whether you're converting cash back or booking travel. And finally, 2 essential money management tools that save you time. The mobile check deposit feature lets you deposit a check simply by taking a picture of it with your phone, skipping that trip to the bank entirely. And for sending money to friends, family, or splitting a dinner bill, the integrated Zelle service allows you to send and receive money securely with almost anyone in the U.S. The Capital One mobile app combines a clean, intuitive design with these powerful tools, from proactive alerts with Eno and rock-solid security with Instant Card Lock and virtual cards, to the daily convenience of mobile deposit and Zelle. It puts you in the driver's seat of your financial life. If you're looking for a mobile banking experience that's secure, comprehensive, and genuinely smart, the Capital One app is certainly worth checking out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.